Okay. Fly back to the runway a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, pitch down a little bit. Now add some right rudder for the crosswind. Right rudder
Right rudder.
for the crosswind. Yep. A little
Okay.
bit more. Okay, good. Oh, don't let that go. Don't let that right rudder go.
Okay.
Okay, now slowly to idle.
Go into idle.
Okay, first flare. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
November Whiskey Charlie, runway 26 left, line up and wait, caravan, join the pad, runway 26 left. Line up and wait, 26 left, Whiskey Charlie. 91, continue, traffic vehicles in position. 91. Number 9, Joe Sierra, turn left here, kind of ground.
Left turn here, contact ground, 0, 0.
Number 9, Whiskey Charlie, extend upwind, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. 26 left, clear for takeoff, extending upwind, 9 Whiskey Charlie. Traffic is rolling now, 26 left, clear to land.
Right.
26 left, Cat 91, traffic.
I agree.
Turn.
Taxi Whiskey Alpha, Ace High for 268.
Miss Ground Cherokee 439 Sierra, holding short, clear runway 26 left, at Foxtrot 3, request taxi runoff area.
There's two calling at once.
Yeah, no bathroom.
Let's go with Cherokee 439 Sierra Long Beach Ground. What is your request?
Taxi runoff area. Cherokee 439 Sierra.
And Cherokee 90 Sierra, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot, Cherokee 439 Sierra.
Long Beach Ground, Cessna 152 Whiskey Alpha, Ace High 268. Cessna 152 Whiskey Alpha, Long Beach Ground, runway 268, taxi via Kilo. 268, taxi via Kilo to Whiskey Alpha.
So, when you take the power to idle,
Okay.
remember first flare, right? You need to maintain pitch. If you don't put back pressure after reduce the power, the airplane will nose into the ground.
When I do idle, I have to back pressure too? Together?
Oh yeah.
Together.
Yeah. Because otherwise you take power away. What does the nose want to do? The nose wants to drop. And then you're headed directly into the ground.
I didn't know. Together.
Together, yeah.
Long Beach Ground, Sling 265 Lima Delta, at Jet Dur, requesting taxi 26 right. Sling 265 Lima Delta, Long Beach Ground, runway 26 right.
How about
taxi
second
via
flare?
Hotel Lima Charlie Kilo.
Well, second flare, you are maintaining altitude very low on the ground and keep pulling up. Yeah.
And third player is to go down?
Just touchdown, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but we'll keep practicing on the landing. Yeah.
November 77 Foxtrot, continue. Continue 77 Foxtrot. November 77 Foxtrot, pass line the Cherokee that's taxing eastbound. Traffic in sight, 77 Foxtrot.
Watch out for her. Okay, good. She's stopping.
Okay.
She tried to kill me on Sunday.
Go number 6?
Number 6, yeah.
Okay.
All the way down.
Reduce power. Speed.
Reduce power, reduce speed. Oh yeah, big plane. Reduce your speed. Go more right. Reduce speed. Okay, more right, more right. Okay, good. We can stop here. Okay.
Engine shutdown checklist. Parking brake set. Throttle 1000. Avionics switch off.